Hello everyone, are you new to my channel? Then subscribe to my channel now and click the bell button. Please like and comment your idea about this video and share this video to watch your friends. Today video, what's with all the mustaches? It is the origins of Movember. Movember, like many other brilliant ideas, was born of a drunken, meandering conversation in a bar. It was 2003, in a pub in Adelaide, Australia. A couple of friends were talking about the cyclical nature of style and wondered why the mustache hadn't made its glorious return, Quetzalcoatl-like, to the mainstream. They decided that the stache, or mo, as the Aussies call it, deserved revival. They talked to a few more friends and made a plan. 30 guys would leave their upper lip untamed for 1 month. They didn't raise money or have a cause, they just wanted to get a few more mows out into the wild and see who could grow the nicest one. They started growing November 1st, so a name change for the month seemed obvious and appropriate. The next year, they wanted to do it again. Prompted by all the attention their lips had gotten the first time around, they wondered if they could use their mo growth as a force of good. They knew that men, particularly old-school macho types, did not get regular health checkups and sometimes even ignored signs of a medical problem. So they decided to use Movember to raise awareness and maybe some cash for men's health issues. They discovered Prostate Cancer Foundation of Australia and learned that 1 in every 6 men would get prostate cancer during his lifetime. 1 in 36 would die from the disease. Behind lung cancer, prostate cancer is the second leading cause of cancer death in men, but, at the time, it didn't make headlines as much as other cancers. It was a very male-centric, relatively unknown problem that could use some good manly mows behind it. That November, 450 guys, called the Mo Bros, grew staches and asked their friends and families to sponsor their growth. By the end of the month, they'd raised $55,000 and gave it to the Prostate Cancer Foundation of Australia. It was the largest single donation the foundation had received at the time. We'd love to see your mows. If you or someone you know is a Mo Bro, leave us a link to a photo in the comments on our Facebook post. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.